everybody, myzner back, Moo Kitty. So today is makeup. So I had a couple people that they were talking about makeup and stuff, and they're like, "I bet you couldn't put makeup on." I'm like, I probably could if I tried. Maybe not. I don't know. But so we kind of made a little bet, and I kind of lost the bet. So now I have to try and put on as much makeup as I can and do it as good as I can in under 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't even. We're just gonna start it, okay? So I'm gonna put the timer on my watch, and then we'll see about the whole 2 minute thing. Okay, well, let's get it ready here. I'll start off with some eyeliner. It'll be purple eyeliner, I guess. That's what color it is. This is not going to be easy. So, all right. 2 minutes. Here we go. Ooh. It's really liquidy, too. That's kind of creepy, actually. And I'm trying to do it looking at my phone. Okay. It's only been 30 seconds and I've only got the eyeliner on. Oh, I look like a... Okay. As good as I can do with that, you know. Let's try some of this up here. Oh boy, that one did not go the way I wanted it to. Take some off of there. And we'll go to this side. Alright. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing very good here. Oh boy. I don't know about this one. Let's add some green to it. I don't know. I don't think that's looking very good. Not at all. And we'll add a little of this to the cheeks. I don't even know what color it is. I'm just going to put it on there. Go from there. Out of here. I don't know about anything about contouring or anything like that, so I'm just going to throw some stuff on there. And then I think I got like 15 seconds or 10 seconds left to... I don't know. What do you guys think? That's the best I can do in 2 minutes. So leave a comment, hit like, hit subscribe. Tell them if you thought that was kind of fun for me to do. Maybe do something different. Do something with a different style of makeup. I don't know. It was kind of fun though. I mean, honestly, I definitely don't know about the look. The look is a little shady to me, but hey, you know, it is what it is. myzner loves you. Out. Hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment, please.